I started.
Hello guys.
Hey, let me join you first.
I'm in the intermediate
Hey.
towers.
Oh wait, hold on.
What?
Okay, there.
I'm in intermediate towers.
Okay.
Press the button. Can they see you do that stuff, or do they only see the, or can they only see the screen? Can they only see the road? Can they only see the roadblocks, or they can see you doing it?
Only this Roblox. Only the Roblox.
Oh,
Or should I
that's-
just do this?
No, actually the other one is better. So
Okay.
actually just only sees your roadblocks.
Okay. Where are you in zone 3? Just talk a bit louder because the Roblox caption didn't hear us properly.
Kadugudugudan!
Okay.
I mean intermediate.
Okay. All of the towers there are hard.
Eh?
Kinda.
You only died 17
Yeah.
times.
I think I've beaten all of them.
Nope.
There's 2 hard and 1 difficult tower. Oh my god, so slippery. There you are.
Oh!
Hey, why are you going there?
I control her.
Okay, well, let's try the easiest one first.
Look guys, I have a trail now.
Let's try Tower of Cracked Crushed.
No!
Tower of Cracked Crushed Cubes.
It's not hard.
Yeah, hard.
Wait, can we
TOCCC.
can we
Oh, I like the designs.
wait, can we change device so you can beat it?
No. No.
Why?
No.
Why do you never
Oh, that's a moving platform. I missed it. Hold on, let me restart my run.
Why you?
It's because I missed the platform.
I did not.
Yeah, because I was too late.
Me too, I did.
Hello. Oh, I almost fell.
Me too, I got late.
Oh, big button.
Okay. Is that Dalawa or ugly?
Rappers will fall.
And
None.
you're stuck forever.
There's no safety net.
You're stuck forever.
Why did they do that? No safety net.
And yep, I also fell. Wait, don't move.
Okay.
Stay there forever.
Okay, I'll just wait for you. Wait, I'll go back and start. Okay.
Yay. And I'm back. I did not restart my run, I rejoined.
Bro. Why did you rejoin?
Let's play a different tower. Let's play the Soul Crusher one.
No. Let's do.
Why?
I want just the easy towers, the beginner towers. Yeah. There's easy and mediums.
No.
I hate it when there's no safety nets.
I did not even hit the target. Let's do
Broken bricks? Okay.
Toby B.
Toby. Toby Magir.
The bridge is broken.
I think this is also a very old tower.
Of the Zane
It's like supposed to be. It's like supposed to be for like ring 1 or ring 2, but they just added it to zone 3.
Can we jump on that?
No, it's for like I think it's pushing platform. Moving platform, I mean.
There's no moving platform.
There you go.
I think we need to press a button.
Wait a second.
What's that? Why? What's wrong?
Never mind. Don't drop down, don't.
Look. Wait, look.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Wait, that's the biggest button I ever seen.
What button?
Okay.
That's just the same.
No, it's not. It's bigger. Bigger the fatter.
I've seen bigger before.
Hey, yo.
Oh, it's spiral. A spiral staircase.
I'm better than you. I can do that difference. Bro. I can't do it.
Oh, that's cool. Sorry. What?
You gay.
Did you fall?
Back to floor.
Oh, I fell.
Why would you just call me today?
Wait.
You never wait for me.
Wait.
No, I'm not waiting for you.
Hey.
Hey! You're gay.
I'm the mega squirrel.
Gilbo, you only use me for content.
Oh.
And I use your phone for gaming.
We're not the same.
Hello!
What the?
And we're on floor 2.
Nice.
The gate floor.
It fell.
I wanna change it, guys.
Oh. This device is perfect. Yours is perfect.
It's not. Just change so you can beat the tower when I talk to the viewers
Wait,
again.
I think I just gonna go on a loop.
Or that's what you get.
No.
Lil bro is dead.
Okay. Right there, triangle.
But wait for me! Why you never wait for me, Lil bro? You never wait for me. I just missed it.
Hey, look, it's through time.
Which one?
From Forsaken.
Or Zeke.
Wow, Dre, look at this guy.
So many towers. Is that a cosmetic?
Oh, him too.
Is that a cosmetic? Search it up.
No, it's it's a UGC from Roblox.
What's a UGC?
Accessory.
Use that accessory.
Oh, I don't have Robux. I only have 10.
You're rich. Others have 0. Your big buck boy has 9. So 409.
Yeah, but I don't use that account anymore.
That's why I use it. I use the Robux.
Yo! Almost fell.
Haha. And there's no safety nets.
Did you fall all the way down?
I'm rejoining. Let's do a different one.
Let's do the easy one.
No. Let's go to zone 1.
Why?
No.
I'll join zone 4.
Bro, you hate me. Yeah, how much towers do I need? Rolling skate.
Huh? Now we do a hard tower.
Oh, we already beat this too? You already did this 3 hard and 1 difficult? Oh yeah, I have to beat 2 more towers.
Okay.
Oh yeah, do you know where Garden of Ixol is?
I don't know. It's not different.
What?
Yeah.
What?
They changed the location. Not the location. They changed where to find it.
How about Arcane Area?
I don't know.
Paradise Atoll.
It's in zone 3.
Yeah, where is it?
Well,
Do you remember though? Okay. Let's just go. What zone is that?
wrong way.
Enter zone. What zone do you want? Only until 3. And the ring until ring
Just do zone 3.
3. No, bro, I can't beat any towers. The only tower I can beat there is
6 feet under. It's the easy tower. Easy tower.
there's only 2 easy towers here, bro.
Yeah, they're easy.
It's only 2 though.
Okay. Then beat it.
I can't.
You already beaten a hard tower.
What hard?
Hard tower of peace in zone 1.
I can't do that.
You just beat it.
You help me, Lick. You help me, bro.
Or did not you play it by yourself?
I don't even remember how I beat it. This is
Overestimating difficulty.
No, this is hard.
This is easy. Wait.
No, actually I was wrong. There's 2 directions from
It's confusing.
I keep falling on floor 2.
Wait, there's no sound. Mine.
Okay.
Sound.
Just listen to mine. Okay, I'm done with all the buttons. Where are you? I'm already done with all buttons.
Yeah, I'm trying to add. Wait, there's no sound on mine.
Don't mind it.
You're not gonna hear it. No, that's from your phone.
No. So I'll make it louder so they can see. Your thing. Soul crushing.
Other sound.
Oh. Bam! Broke to the wall. The slow
So
part.
there's no sound. Okay.
Just don't mind them. They'll hear mine. We're just the same music.
Yeah, but there's no sound on mine.
They'll hear it.
But there's no red.
What's red?
The one in OBS, it's not showing like a red or a green bar. It's just zero. Like the microphone.
Bro, the balloon pops so quickly. It's so annoying. The balloon pops so easily.
Okay.
So fast. You have to look to God. Hello, boy. I'm going to floor 2.
There was the other button, I can't find it.
Look at the arrows.
I already did those two. Where's the other one?
Here.
I did that one and that one. Where's the other one? I already did this one underground.
Then do the other one. There's 2 of those undergrounds.
Where?
There.
Can you lower the volume? I think it's better if it's just only our voices.
Yeah, sure. Hear us scream. Oh! And scream.
Oh, I fell.
I keep falling on floor.
Wait, make it lower more.
Wait. I'm screaming.
Make it the volume lower.
I'm not in a safe spot yet. Wait. I'm trying to find a safe spot.
Where's this? Oh, okay.
Is that good now?
A bit higher. Like 1. Okay.
Wait. They're
Yes,
good.
yeah, that's good. Okay.
No! When I was on the floor 2, I already fell! Right outside! I hate this!
I'm dead.
Can you restart too?
No. Okay.
No, wait for me.
Is this where you fell?
Yes.
Oh, it's a wraparound.
What? I didn't fall there. I fell. I fell because it disabled my jump.
Here?
Yeah. It disabled my jump there.
What do you mean you disabled your jump? Like you missed the jump button?
No, I mean like it didn't let me jump.
I think you just missed it.
Wait.
Just stickman.
Where?
Oh, okay.
Where's the stickman?
I went past it.
But where did you go?
It's right there.
Bro, wait for me.
It's easy.
It's not. That's why I'm literally fell.
You're overestimating the difficulties.
What's more?
Like the name of the tower, overestimating difficulty. Okay.
I quit my entire job.
Why? Okay.
Oh, let me think. Wait for me. You can't even see me.
There's no music.
Hold down.
No, there's no music. There's sound, but there's no music in the game.
How did?
Oh, finally there's sound.
Bro, wait for me. That's good.
Okay.
I'm telling them every lie.
No! You didn't even memorize them.
Dream.
The belly rub.
Yeah.
Oh, kamu mau bawa. Baru.
Wow. I'm gonna tiger.
Apa?
I hate this game so much.
Why?
I fell!
Don't fall.
The balloon part is so annoying. I keep falling. It doesn't want.
That part, the square balloon. That's easy.
It's hard. My foot.
Oh my god, what is this? Helicopter.
Wrong.
Okay, I'll just chat.
The one back here, the annoying part. Almost dead and balloon guy. I quit Ito.
Where are you? Let me help you.
The balloon part keeps falling.
That part is so easy.
It's hard, that's why.
This is an easy tower.
Wrong.
Hey! Don't do that. Don't spill my arm. I'll take mine. Oh. Okay. I'm at the balloon part. See, it's not that hard.
I just fell, that's why it's hard.
Okay. Wow.
Where do you go?
I'm at a farm.
Where do you go?
Spiral. Oh. The squiggly wiggly.
Stick.
Okay, where are you?
I'm sticking.
My goodness. How do you build this tower?
It's rock crusher.
You want it to have no flip?
Hmm.
You want it to have no flip tool?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where the hell did my 50 bucks go?
ate it.
My box is gone.
Where did you fill from? The spinner?
What's wrong?
This one, the spinning filberts?
Yeah.
How?
It disabled my jump. And then I tell you I missed
Look.
the
You don't need to chop. And now you're in the same floor as me. Wait, never mind.
Right.
Okay, I'll spectate you. Bro, I just spectated you and I saw you fall. I'm gonna rip your head off and then I'll replace your brain with it. Mr. Crockers.
What? She what?
Nothing. You don't know it. I'm gonna turn you into Mr. Crockers from Fairyland Parents. Why are you so noob? Why are you so noob?
I don't know. Just complete the entire tower.
I feel like you're getting worse every time you play tower. Before I saw you were getting better in an advanced tower, then now you're failing an easy tower. You're de-evolving. You're evolving backwards.
Frozen.
Yeah. Where did you fail? The conveyor. How did you fail that part? Sign off. There. You're at the easier part. If you fail this, I'm gonna stop recording.
Okay.
And then I'll delete it.
Because you won't be able to transfer you're the only one cutting many.
Yes.
I just opened my own crochet daddy.
You don't even know how to make her. You push the go there. Yeah, you push the you push it. Then go there. No, you go to that. Drake. How to manage your brain? Oh, Jay, behind.
Push.
I'll stop spectating you.
Okay.
I'll just leave you.
No, okay. I'll delete your YouTube account.
I'll delete your tower.
How do I fix?
Fall. the balloon part.
Up, up,
You always fail that part.
up.
Do you even hear me?
Yeah.
Why are you ignoring me?
Talk about to myself.
This is where you fell earlier. How did you fail that part? I think it's because you just jumped too early. That's why you have to jump on the edge. Yeah, because you keep. Whenever you see platform, you just jump immediately. That's why you have to jump on the edge. That's how you make long jumps. Dre, do you even hear me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna punch you if you ignore me again.
I'm not ignoring you. I just heard what you said.
And you're not even talking.
I'm still listening.
You're like 100 level rage baiter. Okay, I'm back in the floor where I fell. Yeah. All the way back.
Not all the way back.
I saw you fall back to floor 1.
I downloaded a different one.
Oh, it's so slippery.
Where are you?
Okay. Oh, the maze.
Have you beaten that tower?
Yes, a long time ago. Oh, purple.
It's not empty.
Okay. I forgot.
I keep dying.
Katayan.
I will use slash did not click. Slash.
Are you actually doing it?
Check
You
the
need
chat.
to be in R15.
Check the chat. Check the chat. Oh, I actually got it. Magaling.
You actually got it?
Yeah. I just did it.
Of course, I know you are. Oh, it's a snake.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Yeah. Spectate me.
They might eat this.
There's snakes, the staircase, and this doobly thing.
Can we just play the tower?
I know you're gonna say that.
How?
No.
Yes.
You always say that, okay? You already left?
No.
Okay, leave.
Yeah. Are you gonna end the recording?
No.
What you gonna do? Rita,
Still Spy Horizon. I'll just do an Promotions Tower. Yeah.
No, easy.
That tower's really good.
Do easy. Try now.
Steve, I already closed the easy people.
No. Easy tower.
There's only medium tower. Hey! I saw you. Not so laggy.
Lol.
Of course it is, okay.
Come here.
What, you're gonna join me?
Yeah.
You're gonna play the Remorseless?
No, no real remorseless.
I'm gonna play it.
No, don't play it. Where are you?
Here. Okay, I'll just do a tower. Oh! You're safe. Okay. Let me do a tower I cannot beat. Wait, it's not here. Oh, okay, wait. Oh!
Oh, yeah, I fell down.
What?
I fell down.
I think you're supposed to be there. Okay, I'll just go there. Where? Here? Okay.
I fell down.
Oh. Wait, Okay, good. I'm trying to find the tower.
What tower?
Tower of weird energy.
Is this slow person?
No, it's challenging.
Oh, here.
No, that's for steeple.
What's
It's just right there, steeple.
oh, right here? Maybe here on the edges?
Oh wait. Well, let me go back up.
Dance clip.
Let me go back up. Let's go back up.
Wait. Where's the ladder?
Oh, wait, never mind. There's no tower.
What socks?
Socks.
Look. What's in here?
Sosk.
What's in here?
Steeple.
People in
I'm not doing that. It's hard.
the hard.
I couldn't beat it. I'm not sure. I'm trying to find the tower.
What tower?
Tower of weird energy.
Here?
Let me drop down. I'm trying to find it.
Me too. Oh, what if you jump to the middle? What happened? Whee!
So hard for shit. It's only steeples. Wait, I think it's on the other side. Oh, wait, no, never mind. So hard.
I'm in here. I'm stuck. I can't go anywhere. Look at me.
See, it says right there, tower.
Wait. Let me hold on. Where?
It was pointing an arrow here.
Where's the sign?
I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to find it, wait.
Oh, there. Oh, see.
Bro, I cannot find this tower.
Search it up. What's this tower? This tower's going here. What's
And
here?
there's nothing.
Climb back. Climb up.
Climb up. That's for intermediate. Oh, wait. I
There's
found
the
it.
word
I found it.
Wait, where? I found that.
No.
See, I told you. That's why I saw the one tower. There?
Yeah.
Wait for me! There's one outside.
Yeah.
Woman. Oh, damn!
I'm so laggy.
I regret doing this. Look up.
Yeah. It's also a furry tower.
Oh, what?
A furry tower look.
Furry.
Tower of weird energy. Look what it looks like. Wait, look what it looks like. Look. It's a face.
LOL.
Hmm.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Bro, I already missed the first jump.
I'm also so laggy. I hate this.
I already missed the first jump.
And I'm already laggy.
Oh, okay.
I'm so laggy.
I hate this word.
I'm so laggy. I hate this word too.
Wait for me, bro.
Wait, I'm so laggy. Wait.
I said just wait for me.
Okay, fine. Calm down, man. Calm down, Jamal.
I hate you. Jamal, you're ice cream. I'm already 3%. I'm already
You're so
3%.
Wow. Why?
Jamal versus ice cream.
Jamal. I have a classmate and he's getting called as Jamal.
Okay.
Jamal and Danal.
Ah, no.
You died.
So
So
laggy.
laggy. Look, I'm now the laggy nanny again. And I'm playing a furry tower.
Wait for me. Where were you?
Okay,
Ah!
wait. Now I go to the well, the wishing well. Staircase. So laggy.
Okay. Where? Nowhere.
The tunnel. And the wishing well.
Tower again?
Yeah.
Whee!
And that staircase from the left. Yeah, there.
Then here.
Tower.
Then there.
Yes.
And then here. And then there. And then here.
I'm so laggy. I love this.
Brings back memories.
Yeah.
Bring back memory.
I'm having PTSD.
What's PhD at this?
Like you're having flashbacks and it's making you.
Making you gay?
No, making you like traumatized. Like yeah, like imagine like you're in a war and then you remember it. Oh my goodness. floor 2.
Wait, bro, wait!
Okay. So laggy.
Woo!
What?
I was about to kiss a Kilbert again. Okay, this is the first. What's the difficulty? Wait, what's the difficulty of this? Is possible? Oh, I almost fell. Ah, Mamma Mia! Bibo Baba Biba! Oh, there's a way you can just skip.
Really?
Yeah. Go back to floor 1. I mean, like, restart the run.
Oh, people are playing the weird energy tower.
Wait, come on, wait. Come
Where
on,
you-
restart
Oh, it's a
the
furry.
restart the run. So you can see.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's
Wait, come
like,
on, restart the run so you can see how to shortcut.
you already found a shortcut.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm still loading.
Come here.
The laggy nanny. I'm still lagging.
Here.
What?
Come here. Go here, look. There's a wedge you can jump on.
That one's much shorter.
No,
Yes, it is.
mine's faster.
It's because you're a kid. Of course, kids are faster.
Ow, my balls! Jamal.
I'm so
Jamal
laggy.
is gay. Where are you?
I just broke it.
Oh, thank you, Lord. I did it. What's the difficulty of this tower?
Challenging. But the first floor is like medium or hard. Ooh.
It's actually
Yeah, because the first floor.
I'm on nowhere. I'm still floor 1.
Nowhere.
Yeah! Oh, where are you?
I'm at the three-bladed spinner.
Oh, I'm already on. Oh, I see you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, damn!
Ooh.
It trapped me.
So laggy.
That was kind of hard.
Oh
I'm
my
under you.
goodness.
Roll it for me.
Okay.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck. Okay.
Ah, it's beat blocks.
Yeah, it's big blocks. Everything in this tower has big blocks. You have to time it perfectly.
Floor 2.
Yeah, it's hard.
I hate this.
I hate this also.
What?
Blah.
Ban ito. Just kidding.
Bang. Oh, okay.
3-bladed spinners.
Ow! Like this.
I'm on a 3-bladed spinners. I quit my entire job of being alive.
Okay. There's no more music.
Okay.
Again.
Can I play different tower? This is hard.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Let me just wait. Okay.
Wait for me. Oh, someone got spray strip mine.
Me.
Wait,
It's a death effect. Wait.
how?
I
Is
have
it
it.
like cosmetics?
Yeah.
I have a bunch.
Okay.
I have easy trail,
Hmm.
hard trail, medium, hurling, pride, trust, challenging, and difficult. Where are you? Mama! Wait for me!
I'm trying to find a tower.
Wait! Beginner towers are hard.
Tower quantum rhythm.
What the what?
Quantum rhythm.
That's the first beginner tower?
Yeah. Tower.
Fine.
Where are you? Where are you? What? That's the wrong tower.
Just join this one.
I already tried that. You rage quit.
I never, I'll just get two.
What? You're not there.
Can you try a medium tower?
Yeah, it's fine.
So, I got the smallest fish. Ah!
Okay. Wait.
Damn, bro. You left me one. This is so slow.
Yeah. I'm still lagging.
You need shift lock.
I hate this.
Oh, finally, it became faster. Oh, okay. Timery.
Timer.
It's not for gay people. We're still on floor 1, and I'm already waiting. Oh, finally, I push it faster.
Oh, I'm lagging.
Frigging jump! Can we just do zip zop zop?
Okay, yeah, you rage quit on that steeple.
We'll try again.
Just easy steeple, how did you rage quit?
Because you're gay.
You're bay and then you're guy sexual. Wait, no, not that one.
Oh, never mind. We already beat it.
Oh.
Okay, let's just do.
Golf course. This tower's kind of
No,
buggy.
yeah.
Yeah, it's buggy.
Okay, let's not do. Let's go to a different
Zone.
place. Zone ring subrealm.
Ring 0.
Oh.
Yeah.
What tower are we gonna do? I already beaten one tower. Wait, I think I haven't beaten the other one because I only beat it in Big Pop Boom.
Yeah.
No friends are currently playing.
Just join Ring 0. Motion evolution.
Yeah, I think I already beat that.
Yes, made by Gamater.
I think Big Pop Boy. Yep, I haven't beaten.
Yeah. You haven't beaten any?
Huh?
Tower of Genesis first.
No, let's just do the Tower of Potion Evolution.
You do Tower of Genesis. Okay.
Wait, I don't know. I'm dumb.
Genesis. It's the easiest tower in the whole game.
It's hard.
Made by the creator.
Hey, where's the guy that talks to you? Like, welcome to your first ever tower.
Oh, that thing, the egg gel. Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, that person's name is Ringo. And also it's also female.
Rainbow.
Her name is Ringo. Ring and then O. Oh, I fell.
You fell on an easy tower.
I love the design.
Can we do one easy?
This is an easy tower.
No, easy. Like,
Steeple.
no.
What? An easy,
Citadel.
easy citadel. The easiest citadel is Citadel Victory. It's hard difficulty. And it's really confusing. It took me like almost an hour.
On a hard Citadel. The difficulty is hard.
Yeah.
It's not like difficult or anything.
No.
How about Tower of Citadel of Green?
Stuff?
Yeah.
I haven't beaten it yet.
Is it hard? Like, what's the difficulty?
Intense.
Where's the easy Citadel located?
Citadel Victory?
Yeah.
Here, Ring 0.
Oh, let's find it.
No, spin this tower first. Don't play that Citadel. It's like very long and confusing.
I don't care.
I had to watch YouTube tutorial.
No. So it means you beaten it?
Yes. Yeah, I already posted it.
Oh, that one.
There's also a time section.
Do you still remember it?
Location?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy.
Where's it?
I just don't want to play it again.
Please, bro.
After this tower,
Yeah.
it made me fall again.
Bro.
Roblox physics. You know that the two star jumps you can just walk.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at my screen. Wait.
Two stats you can walk through.
Yeah, but look. Wait, you'll see. I fell from there. Just look, physics, okay? Look. You see this? Look.
That's 2 studs.
Yeah, yeah, it made me fall.
I'm already on floor 2. Because I always jump every time I
Or no,
see a
I think
hole.
it's because it's slanted a bit. Yeah.
I'm already on floor 3.
Okay. Okay. I fell again.
Bro.
Too many. It's the hardest tower ever.
Yay! You're me now. You're me and I'm you.
This is harder than cruel punishment.
This is so crushing.
No, this is nail.
Wait, look. This is what you're talking about?
Yeah. No, it's just that that one was wedged and then it was slanted, so there's like
Bro, it's even
like
better.
so there's like a small slope and then the
Bro, it's even
the-
better when it's sideways. It ain't rough.
look
Oh, I
look you
still-
see this? It's sideways and it's a wedge, so there's like a slope you can stand on. That's why it made me fall.
This is so crushing.
Look.
What?
Remember this?
Wait, where do you find that?
It's in floor 1.
Wait, what the?
What? the controls it's
Yeah, look. Wait,
oh
that's
you're trying to wall hop.
Yeah. Is it possible on the tower frames?
Yeah.
Can you try to do it later after you go here? If you go here, I mean. If you go here. I can't talk!
Yeah, that's how I talk as well.
Slash give no clip. Slash give no clip. You need R15 for this. I can fall back. I can go back to floor 1. Never mind.
No, you can't.
I don't know what floor am I on.
I'm at floor 3 or something. I'm at the blue floor. Oh, I'm one floor ahead of you.
What?
I mean,
Already?
no, wait, no. I mean, like,
1 floor away from me?
yeah, that's what I meant. I'm still learning on my grammar. I cannot tell the difference between before and after.
Can't be. You can't.
Also, what you're talking about? This one.
If you do it on sideways, okay, I'm 2 floors ahead of you.
Oh.
I speedrun on easy towers.
It's because I was busy doing something and then kept falling.
Strawberries.
Also, I'm at the stairs.
Wait, did you not try the wall up?
Oh, this one.
Nice! You did 2!
I can do like 3 or 4.
Good boy.
Hey! Hey, this is not yaoi.
What's yaw?
Nothing.
Yeah. Why do kids know everything and then when I ask them they say never mind?
What do you mean?
Like every time I don't know something like before like my classmates kept saying 6-7 and they asked what's 6-7 and then they said never mind.
What's red hat? What's mugo mugo? Oh, there's clouds.
I think I'm 3 floors ahead of you. I'm in pink. Pink, Goku. I played this tower on Zeus's iPad. The experience was cool. They keep falling on the pink floor.
Oh, you're that? Wait.
I'm in purple.
You're in purple purple.
But it ain't black.
Maybe the okay. Star
Mwah,
spawn.
mwah.
Star spawn. Oh the balls.
I think I'm 2 floors away from you now.
No wait, I think this is. Oh wait, is there clouds below you? Yeah, I think I'm one floor away.
No, I'm 2. Look, I'm already
Oh,
here.
rah. so quick?
Because I fought. Because this is so crushing.
I just fell. Wait for me.
Yoink, yoink. I fell. Doink. Heart attack. I almost fell in the hole here. I'm
Hole
one
here?
I'm 1 floor away from you.
I'm so laggy.
You're 1 floor away from me.
And I'm laggy also.
It's right. Okay, I'm 2 floors again. I'm in the last floor, I think. It's dark.
I'll strangle you to death.
It's dark. Where you ain't Bart's dada.
Dada.
You're not Homer.
Dudu kaka.
Why? What's the last floor? What does the last floor look like?
It's like a galaxy.
Oh, this ain't the last floor.
No.
This is floor 9.
Yeah, this tower's like, it starts from nature and then goes to like galaxy.
And I think I'm there. No, not yet. Oh yes, I am close.
You're not even waiting for me.
Because you used to not be close. Yeah, I'll wait for you. What floor are you on?
I'm at the dark purple floor.
Oh, that one?
And now I'm at the darker one. Darker than me.
And I teleported outside. It's black. Now, movie scene. Gojo versus Naruto. Hiya!
The end game.
When you look down, less gameplay.
Yeah.
You can only see every tower. Gojo versus Naruto. Fight! You almost gave me a heart attack too.
Oh, I'm at the giant stairs.
Oh no, run.
Hey!
He's scared.
Hey, stop.
Run!
I can see you.
Run from the monster!
Oh, I see you.
Run!
But you're still at the same floor.
Oh.
You're still at the same floor.
Oh, you're at the same floor?
Yeah.
Okay, run.
And I have a good. Now I have.
Naruto versus Gojo. Hasha! Yeah! Okay.
So slow.
Run away from the monster.
I am not a monster. It's because I'm black. My avatar's black. Hey, wait for me. Wait for me. Don't touch the jump pad yet.
Hello, Jumpan.
I mean the wind pad. Wait.
Hello, Jumpan. You're so sparkly. Can I have a kiss?
Hey, you're cheating on Pizana. Drake.
No!
I'll play my tower.
No! Be quick. What's wrong? You already beaten the tower anyways.
And you don't wait for me.
You too. We both don't,
I was waiting for you.
we both don't wait for each other.
I waited for you. I was spectating you.
Wee! Bonk. 0. The Vutorolians.
Terrains.
I'm just... Wait, let me join.
No.
Wait! What happens if you actually do that? What if you... But they even show the title.
Okay, fine.
Is
Because-
that purple?
This is the purple.
Yes. I don't want that tower. I will try my tower.
Okay.
Can we race on a tower?
On my tower?
On any tower, even on Ito.
Just try my tower first. It's
wait.
easier.
It's hard.
This time, no using no blip.
Yes, using notebooks.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
no, I'm just kidding. What?
Let's just do purple derpal.
No,
There's no music. Yeah. Gliding angers.
no,
Some easy going crash outs.
no. Wait. Oh,
Yeah. This is the only one that is finished and has actual music. This one again or gliding
No.
angers.
wait. I'm finding the tower. I'm still finding the tower.
Oh, the steeple, the April Fool's steeple.
No. That's too easy, bro. This.
Oh, that one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's actually.
So it's fair.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait. We're gonna start here. 3, 2, 1, go. Or let me. Bro, I'll be on the first jump for 5 hours.
Wait, should we use no clip or not?
No
Okay.
clip.
Okay, it's gonna be hard then.
Yep.
Wait, just in
I
case.
already-
Just in case. Okay, there.
How do we do that?
In your inventory.
You hold?
No, click the 3 bars.
There's no 3 bars. This one?
Yeah, inventory.
Inventory. Oh, there.
Okay.
This
Oh, now I'm lagging.
This is not gonna be fair.
But now it's gonna be actually hard
Yeah, true. Bro,
because I also lag.
I'm still on the first jump. It won't let me jump. Actually, it won't let me jump.
You're still there.
Yes! I need no clip for that part.
I'll wait for you in next floor.
No waiting. This is a race, little bro.
Okay.
I jumped and can I just use no clip? No, only on that part. I'm just gonna skip this part.
Okay, you can
Oh, wait. Let's try.
you can only use no clip for like small
Small hard parts.
small parts. Yeah. Not like skipping everything, like what you do.
Hey, I don't do that.
Okay. It is actually scary.
Okay.
Oh, this part. I hate this part.
Why?
The small jump part.
Yeah, it really got banned. Now we won't let me use it. When let me respawn. My character still moves. Okay. Oh, there, now I can use the rope.
Oh.
Okay.
It's just now lagging.
And I already died. I can't use no clip again. You can only use it once.
Oh no!
Yes, I did it.
Okay,
All by myself.
I'm back in 30. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I just didn't fall that far. Okay.
I just did that part earlier. This tower is so annoying.
I know. It has good gameplay but very punishing.
Cruel punishment. This is harder than cruel punishment.
Yeah. Easy gameplay but very punishing.
Damn.
No! I fell
Just
back.
let me win.
I'm back.
We're back. We're back together. Damn, bro, I hate this game.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Okay, good job.
Whee! I hate this gameplay. I need the Santa sleigh. Oh yay!
Santa Slay. Ladder flicks.
Santa sleigh slays.
No, I fell because of the lag.
I'm back here.
It's a different tower.
No.
Why?
We never give up. Never back down. Never give up. Yes!
Huh?
Oh!
What?
That's your friend!
Huh? Hey, don't chat.
Wait, I'm gonna say.
I'm gonna leave. What the? Why are you here? Hey! He's my cousin.
Who's this again? Jamal?
Yeah, you're Marcus. Okay, wait.
Who's he talking to?
The name section.
Is he friends with Paradox?
Wait. What? Okay.
I'm good in excitement.
I got Russell.
Hey, at least you got one more visit!
Yeah.
2 people active. Let's go. The first time I ever
Go.
saw that.
Okay.
You go, what?
Rousseau.
Personians.
Oh, Rousseau.
Real bro is also failing. Big bro!
Okay.
Just fly, bro. Oh yeah, I can't use it. Did you actually ban it?
No.
Why can't I use it? I can't equip it. Bro, Marcus is raging. Marcus gotta be raging. Oh yes! Yay. Oh, he's calling you. What's... I lied.
Adidas.
I'm asking him questions.
Spigo Garden.
Yeah. And actually, I want to.
Ah. He has so much checkouts, I think. I don't remember. Oh. Okay. Growa Garden. I'm so laggy. Okay, you're gonna play Growa Garden with him?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I ask him though.
Wow.
Wait. Let me check.
Okay.
Yay!
Hey. What?
I closed the phone. I was about to take a screenshot and I closed the phone. Too active.
Okay. Okay.
That's the first time there's 3 people active.
Yeah. And 2 friends. Or 3 friends in the server.
Just join. We're only gonna be. So Shanji. Wow. There's no need. Wait, let me join again. You guys are taking kinda forever.
Okay. Oh, he
Wait.
left.
Oh, he left already?
Yep.
Okay.
He said see ya in school. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be in the same section with him.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. Ooh, okay. Okay, I'll just leave.
Join us.
No, I won't play with you. I don't play Growa Garden.
Just AFK while you chat Millie. Ay, Scarps.
Our goob.
Scraps.
Our goob.
It's just so confusing.
Yeah.
Dun,
Do you
dun,
like the
dun.
tune you made? Really?
Kinda.
What do you mean kinda? You made her. I'll just play Tower from throwing my phone away.
All. Wait, I forgot he can't join this. This is your private server. Let me just join
Oh.
the actual server.
Okay. Ooh. Go.
Bro, you're low back already.
Okay.
Adventure.
Adventure. I've unexpectedly joined.
He's playing TDS.
Oh, that game. Oh, I don't think you don't need to join him. He's just playing his own now.
Lame, bro.
Yeah.
Lies.
Hey, don't ignore.
Why?
You invited me.
Hey, not.
I think it's just a notification. What do you think? What do you think about our environment? Is it bad?
Wait, can I see the game?
It's like kind of like
Yes.
yeah, bad.
Not really.
The music good.
I thought that was a fun song.
Okay.
Wait, can I?
Oh, slippery failing platform.
Oh, there! He finally joined.
Oh,
I have to join his servers too.
okay.
And there's still a position line 1.
Of course.
Why?
There's people playing Rogue Garden a lot. Okay. Wow. What's there to Cthulhu? Cthulhu. Oh, what? Oh.
Right. A conveyor on a
Yeah, then back to floor 1.
conveyor on a stick.
Ah!
I will position line 1. Wait, I have to invite him into my server. He's not.
Yeah.
Let me try. Bruh, I'm always in position line 1. Every time I join a friend, it's always position line 1.
Yeah.
Even though there's 6 garden plots, you can only.
Wait, let me play my other tower in my other account, TikTok boy.
Wait, I have to send him the invite. Kuya, can you add him in the private server? In Grow Garden.
Okay, wait.
Just add him.
How about I create another server, but I'll just create another server.
Okay. Japanese farmers.
No.
American farmers. 3 friends.
Create another server. No.
You can only create 1. Skip it. Kalbo.
I found my brain.
I can find my brain. Adventure dude.
Oh, which one was it? Check!
92, I think. Wait. No, 48.
This one?
Yep. Wait, where's his profile picture?
Yep. Okay, you guys can play now. Okay.
Dun, 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 dun,
Everything okay.
Rainbow 2. Rainbow 2.
Okay.
It's taking forever to join.
I'll try ring 6.
Ring 4.
Ring 5.
All the gardens are so small. Now I switch.
Yeah.
There, now I can invite. Rambo, that looks so cool.
Yeah, it's really big. Look. Let me hide the quality. No. It's so big.
No one has joined.
Let me try a very old tower. I created a very old tower and then I
Why
added,
does he now want to want that
Yeah.
kato?
I created a very old tower and added it into this ring.
Kato, awu, awu.
Well, I think like my second or third tower ever.
The first. Can you play the mango tower?
That's actually really hard.
But you got to like floor 8.
Yeah. I actually created this tower like before, like in 2022. What do you think of the gameplay? Okay. The design good? Okay.
I'm inviting
My old towers are so hard.
January. It's a bit of Bob and then. But check your friend that
Yeah.
he can join you on it.
No, I only want to play solo.
No, like chat him only.
Or you can just not this way.
Why?
Or just let him just mind his own let him mind his own business.
He promised.
Whatever.
Wait, did you get that on record?
Yeah. I'm already low on so I'll just do this.
Die!
Okay.
Oh, you did not die. Why?
There's cockroaches everywhere.
Why can't he join
Oh.
me? He promised. You promised your friend.
It's okay.
It's not okay. That's why I'm complaining.
No, it's too hard.
Just join me.
No.
What's wrong?
I want to play solo. Okay. That's the thing about me. I always like being alone.
Just chat your friend.
That's okay.
I'll just chat your friend. I just need to go chat him. I have. Bro, bless, just chat him. Wait, you ended the recording.
No. I won't check.
Oh, bless.
No.
I let me invite him. Soccer. Kata, thank you. Someone joined your own.
Yeah.
For
My
the
very
first
own
time.
game. Yeah. No, like not the first ever, like the first ever friend to join my game. The ones I know.
Not like other people.
Yeah. I also saw one of my friends, like the one from school, is the one I friended. Played my Find Among Us guys game. He played that game.
Yeah, let me play that.
Yeah, I saw one of my friends played the game. Like my stranger friend. Okay.
How do I just swap my phone? Oh, I need him. You said he has the long left shackles, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, I remember you saying that. Because your friend always said that.
Yeah. Okay.
28 million. The most one is 740. Bro, why won't he join? Oh, can I just chat him here?
TDS.
No, I want to chat him.
Recap. I'll play my tower again. Then try twists and turns. I can join. Okay, just if you won't allow him, just say okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shelly? Someone's name Shelly in your friends?
Yeah. I think this is the nickname, not the actual username.
I need private server. Oh, my tower.
Yeah.
Do you like the gameplay now?
Yeah. Because I made it.
I made floor 1 and you like it.
Yeah.
Oh no, don't tell me I'm gonna disconnect.
Why?
Hold on. I can't equip my shiny. And that's one of the best pets I have.
Oh, but this tower's really short. Ugh.
Oh there! I think he joined. That's just right.
Yeah. Did you join?
Oh, this is.
I'm really bored.
No, it's not good. Yeah. Bro. Oh. So I was just gonna.
Why are you chatting my friend?
He became my friend now.
Hey.
That makes no sense.
Careful.
There, here, shiny.
Okay. Wait, let me play one of my towers. One of my very, very towers hidden in a private game.
What can I do?
No, it's only for me.
No, please!
You can just switch account.
No!
I don't know if it will join me.
No, please! I'll make it unprivate. Please!
Right.
I saw in your videos like the gamer like reacting to my games, the gamer Dre
Yeah.
one, the gamer Dre 1667. And it said, "Oh, me, that's alright." And then the last one was Ito,
Okay.
Gito. I mean, the not me one. Bro, let me join
Oh, I cannot join
you. Lol.
because they're in a place.
What place?
Multi-placed.
Multi-place?
I don't know what it means.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun. What you doing?
I'm just trying to find a tower. It's kind of boring.
Hey,
Let me play.
yeah, your games are kind of getting boring, bro. And also Grow Garden. I'm not really getting used to it. I'm mostly playing rivals.
Tower of Friendly Skinny Stick.
Friendly skinny stick?
Yes.
What else? What's the
It's all the way at the back.
old one?
Yeah. Those two, that one tower, that's default.
What is the hardest area I've ever played?
Like all of the towers I created. I don't know because some of them I abandoned them.
Kuya, can you play your stick? Someone's active in your Jesus Christ Tower of Hell.
Check. Servers.
There's none.
I think because I was playing it in the net.
Yeah, there's 0.
Okay.
Bro, Dinosaur Hut used to have so much, so there's only 47. the ratings, I think.
That's still kinda a lot.
Became your stage. It's 1 again.
Yeah. So what is adventure to play?
Still.
Okay. Just don't mind about him.
No, I said he would still do it.
Okay.
Still gonna do it. Oh, this is good. There's badges. Look.
Okay.
Colorful, pick a rainbow fruit.
Okay.
Hatch 200x? Jai's wedding?
What's that?
No, that's... come on, finish already. You know I'm unfinished. I'm a butt. You see?
Yeah.
Where? What did you do?
Not yet done. It's only until third 2.
Do give me that. Yes.
Okay,
Give me
fine.
that. Yay!
Tara, take your time. No?
Give me that!
Okay, I'll play one of my towers.
Mitch.
The Mitchells versus the Machines. Give me that. Okay.
You're never gonna be that.
No using a flip.
Yes. I remember you can skip it, bro.
Okay.
You look at the first one?
Yeah.
So very small. I can do that. But it's mini. What? Huh? Hello. Is that cube?
Yeah.
I was about to guess matrix.
Yep, they're kind of similar.
Yeah. Which makes me go.
Yeah.
Makes me go.
No! Stop.
Make this twisted.
Twisted.
Look. Hey. Wait, what's that? Something super.
there's also like gems and crowns. And there's no music.
Oh wait, that's 6 version 0.6.
5.5.
Then how's their music?
There's no music, I said.
Oh, I need music. Oh, big mango. I wish there was no clip here.
Oh my god, it's so laggy.
Lag, lag. Bro, so big. Jump! Right. Did any of you get twisted? Is that 50 million? It's because of shock. So central shock. Bro, why did you not? Stop dating. Oh yeah, I want to show.
It's been 1 hour and a half.
I thought it would be 2 hours already. Time is so slow.
But quick at the same time.
Yeah, too. The documents.
Hey,
What?
don't do that.
Why? You
I thought you were spitting at my phone.
I was like,
I thought you were spitting saliva at my phone.
oh, gumball.
What?
Gumball.
Hi.
Gumball.
So laggy.
Let me travel. We go offline. I see.
Wait.
We reached all 5.
It's only floor 2.
Eh? How many floors are there?
10, but I'm only done 6, 7, or 8.
I found script. King shot. Let me play a bit of Roblox. Only 1 level.
Okay. So
Okay,
laggy.
I'm gonna try some script
My
basketball.
is laggy.
I'm gonna try some script basketball.
Do timer.
No. Oh, fine.
No.
Relics is annoying me.
It's a good level though. It's a good level. People like it so fun. I heard people preferred it more than street basketball.
Hey!
Yeah, that's what they said.
What did they say? I'm gonna be Jack's alive. What did the Jack's alive?
But I said the street basketball for the soundtrack and Relics for the gameplay.
Good.
They're good. Hey, stop calling me good. I'm gonna turn you into
Good sausage.
sausage. I'll turn you into a sausage party.
Good rolling sky here. I already lost my shield 5 seconds in gameplay.
Nice.
So good. I missed the picking game. I'm gonna try the harder version of
Let me do the gem crowd. The gem round.
Oh, gem round.
It's tower. I fell.
What do you mean gem round in that tower?
I'm in crown round.
In that tower?
Yeah.
There's a crowns in that tower?
Yeah.
How?
Watch this.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I fell.
Good thing it lagged. It's been 1 hour. Blah, 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 blah. Split your steam, split your steam. Steam, what even is Steam Hub? Steam Happy! Steam Happy, Steam Happy, Steam Happy. Please hate you. 967. Like your subscribers. Players are in. So what's
Yeah,
up?
like my subscriber count.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
What? I'm gonna join you.
Game, bro.
Wait, with people or
Real play.
with private server? Okay.
Then right when I just said I was gonna role play,
It's because I have done this world.
wait, I have to check if he's done.
Okay. Yes.
Wait, open up another Roblox app so you can see if he's chatted.
No.
Nah!
Okay.
He has to join us so if he wants.
I'll join it and you join.
Right, so laggy.
Laggy?
Oh look, group N.
Yes, reps.
Dun, 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 dun.
There's Twisted Russia. Okay, I'll join. Well, how about we replace them? Well, with my cousin. Word. Okay.
Wait, how do you spell word again?
World. With my cousin. With my cousin.
First.
With my cousin. With my cousin. So slow.
Sorry, bro. I'm not like you that types every day about. I'm not like you that types every day about talking to Scrarps. I do book Ashore.
Scarves.
I keep calling her Scarps because she's so Scarps.
Hey. Wait, let's do.
Again.
What? Jamal. That Jamal. Rejoin.
Wait! Chill, bro. My internet ain't fast.
Something.
Reach your candles now?
Oh,
Wow.
later.
Can I just eat it now?
Now.
I'm just gonna eat your orange.
Okay, sure. I still have a lot more. That's not orange, that's hello.
I just eat it. I wish they would make goodbye.
What?
Goodbye.
Ooh.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello will make goodbye. The
Yeah.
creators of Hello will make.
Creator. Okay, play. You have chicken. Chocolate fingers.
Netflix.
What's wrong? Where are you? Roleplay.
I'm invisible.
Wipe your finger off. Your chocolate off. You.
I drink water.
Wipe your hand.
Well, I drink water.
Okay. Hey, stop doing that.
Where'd he go?
There.
Woody.
40.
I'm more handsome than you.
Hey.
Mwah.
What will you do? Hide and seek.
No,
Hey.
I'm not hide and seek.
Wait.
Cosmo
Wait,
Cosmo's shirt.
let me stop recording first.